This event gives an opportunity to interact over the next 3 days and begin the journey that will help in the economic growth of our state and country as a whole. It was vision of our late Chief Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, to promote Goa as an investment destination that was an instrumental in organizing this mega event. To the 2,000 Indian business delegates, 500 foreign delegates representing 52 countries, 85 international speakers and 45 international business partners, and to everyone present here, welcome to Goa, welcome to Vibrant Goa. The Investment Promotion Board is established to facilitate approval from the Government of Goa. The single window system will ensure the speedy processing of the investment proposal and investor facilitation. I can assure our international delegates who wish to invest in Goa that your proposal will be cleared within 30 days.
The IT department has a lot of projects in its working on to make Goa conducive for the IT industry and also in line with the Digital India platform. Projects like the e-district, citizen service centers for ease and of information for citizens, e-Navida, tendering portal for transparent and easy tendering processes, computer-based examination systems for government departments, the State Data Center, the GBBN, a statewide fiber optic network, the EMC TUE for electronic manufacturing companies to set base here.
But Goa is a different state, and we mean business under the dynamic leadership of the Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. I would like to say that he started taking things with a different perspective, and we're trying to move forward, winning the trust of the industry, not only within the state of Goa, but also globally. We're trying to bridge gaps between what industries already exist in the state of Goa.